Okay, so the JWT token has been authenticated against MemberStack. Next, let's go and verify the member. So what we need to do here is take the authenticated information that was returned to us from this module and use it to query the MemberStack's backend API and make sure that that member is a member on our website. So first thing we're going to do is we need to add a connection, which is really grabbing the API key out of MemberStack for our MemberStack website. So let's go check out where that is. If you go into your MemberStack account, you go into Power-Ups, Integrations, scroll down to the bottom, Custom Integrations. You can see API keys. You can just add a new API key. I've already added one. They give you an API key, you copy it, come back in here, boom, you add it, and you're done. This will set up the connection. Then what we want to do is pass in the member ID, which is noted as ID, that was returned from our Authenticate token module. Now, this whole user object here with the ID, email, and site is only returned to us if the JWT token was authenticated. If it wasn't, this won't exist. So we can put this in here and feel confident that if it exists, it's been authenticated. If it doesn't exist, we are going to set up a failure route, which I'll show you in just a moment. But that's it. Something else I like to do, but isn't necessarily required, I call this extra credit, is to set up a filter on the Verify Member module. So in order to continue down the authenticated path, you have to meet a series of conditions. And what I'm doing is checking that the Authenticate token module returned a status code of 200. I'm checking that the Authenticate module has a user ID in there and it's equal to the member ID that was returned from our Verify Member. Same thing here, we verified that the email address returned from the Authenticate token module matches the email returned to us from MemberStack. Unfortunately, MemberStack isn't going to give us a site ID. I'm not sure why they don't do that through their API, but they don't. So for that piece of data, I'm just checking that it exists. Again, this is extra credit. I like to add this. You do as you please. If these conditions fail, we're not going to be sent down this failed redirect route, unfortunately. So you'll have to set up a new path in order to have a good user experience. Totally up to you.